Hello everyone, this is Arif. Today I'm gonna show you how to online form fill up of 7 colleges affiliated with University of Dhaka. First of all, you just open your browser and go to 7 college of website. After that, you just click the link of online form fill up. Okay, and you just need to sign up. You need to type your registration number. Your registration number should like this. After that, select your program, select your session and click submit. After that, Said is one of my friends. I'm using his registration number. After that, you need to upload your photo. Your photo should 150 pixels into 150 pixels. That's why you can use your Photoshop or you can use on-ride resizer tool. Just go to the website, pick resize.com, and here upload your photo. Click here, upload your photo, continue to click picture, resize picture. After that, you need to select your size, custom size, width 150 pixels, height 150 pixels. After that, JPG quality should be best. I'm done. Resize my picture. After resizing, you just click to save to my disk, save to disk. Okay, your photo will download automatically. After that, you should upload your photo. Click here and select your photo. Your photo will upload. After that, enter your address. I'm living at Ashulia, that's why I'm typing my address. Okay, after enter your father's name. I'm typing my father's name. After type your mother's name. After that, write down your phone number. This is my phone number, and create your password. Your password should be only in alphabetic or numbering character. You can choose your password within 4 to 6 digit. After click submit. Okay, after clicking submit, you will be a registered user, and then you will be able to sign in, log in. Okay, and go to this page and log in. And now you need to log in. That's why you should type the captcha. The captcha is D5VV 3V. Click down and type your registration number. After that, type your password and click login. Okay, this is your login page, and after logging in, you can change your personal information. Click your name and click profile. This is your profile that I already made. You can change your personal data before form fill up. Okay, after that, you can form fill up and click the form fill up honors first year exam 2019. Click here, and you should select your student type. Click here, and I'm a regular student, that's why I'm selecting regular. And here is your subject. Which subjects you should choose that you are already studying, and I'm choosing my subject. This is my subject. Introduction to philosophy is not my subject. After that, you need to type the captcha T2KKFW. After click save and preview. Okay, this is my form fill up. After submitting, you will be able to find the page, and here your all kinds of information will be shown, and you can carefully observe your information. And after that, you will click the submit button. Okay, after that you will print out it. That is the tutorial, guys. Thank you so much.